gonna throw a temper tantrum again?
Hey, baby. Eat it. Yay. 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 Yay.
You're gonna throw a temper tantrum? Come on. Throw a temper.
Oh, there we go. At least you were happy when you were doing it before.
Are you done?
Now I start recording you, you're all
Are you done
angry.
trying? Are you done trying? Are you done making a mess? Oh my goodness! Hey baby, you ready for a bath? Do we gotta hose you down? Do we have to hose you down? Do I get to take a picture of you first? Huh? Should we take a picture first? Look at this messy baby. Alright, mommy's gonna go start your bath.